26 years old at the moment. No, I'm 27 now. My name is Matty G. I'm 27 years old. I am currently living in Glasgow and working as a waiter. But becoming a singer, that's the dream.
Oh my God! Hello everyone!
Nothing comes close to the energy in Blackpool on that day.
Oh my gosh, I remember probably.
I just remembered standing there, yapping my way through.
Do you ever watch Star Wars?
No, I'm too gay for it.
Growing up, Simon's been like a standard, you know? As a singer, very much my friends. And Simon.
Let's go! Marty, let's go! Go, Marty! Go, Marty! Let's go, Matthew!
For the semi-finals, I'm gonna give a performance of a lifetime, Beyonce level.
Oh my God!
All these lies on my face getting clearer. The past is gone. Oh, it went by. I guess it's gone. But isn't that the way? Everybody's got their do's and lies to pay.
Oh my God, I'm getting goosebumps.
All the things come back to you. See you when
Let's go! Fuck! We love you, Marty! That's crazy!
Oh my God!
We love you, Tita! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go!